Hi everybody. I needed a new everyday carry knife, so I did a little research and I decided to go with a Buck Langford 251 knife. It just arrived yesterday, so I thought I would unbox it with you.
It arrived in the basic bubble wrap packaging, and inside was the standard Buck knife box. It was a little damaged, but I'm not concerned because the knife is pretty durable. It is a Langford 251. You'll see that it's a nice army green color. It's got a pocket clip. And overall, a very attractive knife. It's a good size, just fits comfortably in my hand, and it does have open assist to make it a one-handed opening knife. Check the sharpness of it. You can see it just shaves the hair right off. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this knife, and I look forward to seeing how it holds up.